Alright, number 6. Find the value of c such that f prime of c satisfies the mean value theorem on the interval. So remember what the mean value theorem says. It says your function is continuous on the closed interval, differentiable on the open, and so therefore you have some point where the function is equal to its average rate of change. So let's start with x squared plus 6x minus 3 on the interval 1, 2. So here's what we're trying to test. So first, what's the average rate of change? That's f of 2 minus f of 1 over 2 minus 1 equals, plug in, you get 4 plus 12 is 16, minus 3 is 13, minus 1 plus 6 is 7, minus 3 is 4, over 1 equals 9. Okay, so now let's take a derivative. Prime of x is equal to 2x plus 6, and we want to set this equal to the average rate of change. That says 2x equals 9, sorry, 2x equals 3, or x is equal to 3 halves, which is perfectly in the interval. So change this from x to c, and that's our answer for part A. Part B, we have g of x equals root x minus 1 on the closed interval 1 to 10. So again, let's calculate. G of 10 minus g of 1 over 10 minus 1 equals, let's see, square root of 9 if you plug in. Let's do it. 10 minus 1 minus square root 1 minus 1 over 9. The left square root is square root of 9 is 3. So over 9 equals 1/3. Now let's take a derivative. So g prime of x is 1 over 2 root x minus 1. There's a little bit of chain rule going on there, but definitely nothing too bad. And now we set this equal to 1 over 3. So cross multiply and divide. You get 3 equals 2 root x minus 1. Divide 3 halves equals root x minus 1. Square both sides. 9/4 is equal to x minus 1. Add 1 over. So at x equals 13 over 4, we get our average. So we say c equals 13 over 4. Right. So let me make sure that makes sense. So you get square root 13 minus 4. 13 over 4 minus 1. 9 over 4. Take a square root, you get 3 halves. Times 2, you get 1/3. Yep. Just making sure. And then on c, x cubed minus 3x plus 2. And that should be a minus 2. That's something that I need to fix. So, and this is h of x. So h prime of x is 3x squared minus 3 equals 3. X squared minus 1 equals 3. Factoring x minus 1, x plus 1. What's our average rate of change? So h of minus 2, nope, start on the left. H of 2 minus h of minus 2 over 2 minus minus 2, although it doesn't matter. But 8 minus 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 4. Minus 8 minus 3 times minus 2 gives a minus 2, plus 2 is 0. over 4, we get 1. Actually, wait a minute. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So now we need to see whenever 3x squared minus 3 is equal to 1. So, squared minus 3 equals 1. Move it over. Minus 4 equals 0. 3x squared equals 4. X squared is equal to 4/3. So x is equal to 2 over root 3. Again, we get a plus or minus. Actually, we do get a plus or minus because both of those would be in the interval. So that's our answer. But instead of calling it x, I'll call it c. And that's how to do these mean value style problems.